Silawati, NPM 2441210. In this presentation, I will be discussing the topic sampling method and distribution. Sampling plays a crucial role in statistics as it allows you to study large population using only a portion of data. Without proper sampling, our result could be biased or misleading. Understanding various sampling methods help us ensure that the data we collect is accurate and representative. Basic sampling concept. In statistics, we often cannot collect data from the entire population due to time, cost, or cases limitation. Therefore, we use a sample which is a small portion of the population taken with the hope of representing the entire population. Sampling is the process of selecting the sample. Taking a sample is not just taking a portion, but must be done with the right method so that the resulting data is valid and can be used for generation. Population versus sample. Population is the entire element or individual that is the focus of a study. For example, all university students in Indonesia. A sample is a subset of the population taken for analysis. For example, 500 students from 10 universities in Indonesia. The population is the main source of information, but it is often impossible to reach it in its entirety. Therefore, we utilize sample to make statistical inference, which are conclusion about the population based on sample data. Importance of sampling in statistics. Without a proper sampling process or statistical analysis are prone to error and bias, and unrepresentative sample can result in misleading data and unreliable analysis. Bias in sampling can undermine objective and lead to wrong decision, especially when the data is used to important policy or strategies. Conversely, with proper sampling, we can obtain valid data even with limited research, accurately assessment population parameters, and find patterns in the data that support further analysis. Good sampling is an important basis for generating valid and useful statistical conclusions. General categories of sampling method. Probability sampling, where every member of the population has an equal or no chance of being selected into the sample. This method is most widely used in scientific research because it supports the validity of statistical inference. Non-probability sampling. Sample selection not based on random principle generate use when randomization is not possible, such as in rapid surprise or early exploratory research. Type of probability sampling. Simple random sampling. All members of the population have an equal chance of being selected, used when the population is homogeneous and complete. Systematic sampling. Selection based on specific order with fixed interval. For example, every 10th person on the list. Stratified sampling. The population is divided into homogeneous group strata. Then sampling in done from each stratum. Very useful when the population has different characteristics. Cluster sampling. The population is divided into natural group cluster, then several clusters are selected and all members of the cluster are sampled. Efficient for without difference population. Type of non-probability sampling. Convenience sampling. Sampling are taken from unknown who is usually accessible, vertical, but high risk of bias. Purposive sampling samples are selected based on the research judgment used in case studies or qualitative research. Quote sampling the research set a certain number of each group to be included used to guarantee a certain proportion without randomization. Snowball sampling used for hard-to-reach population. Initial samples have recommend subgen reported common in social research. What is sampling distribution? A sampling distribution is the distribution of a statistic such as a mean or proportion calculated from various equally sized random samples from the same population. It explains how statistics can vary from sample to sample, even though they are all drawn from the sample population. Sampling distribution are important because gives an idea of the natural variability of the analysis results, provide a basis for making difference about the population based on sample data. Concept of sample statistic and population parameter. Parameter is the true value in the population. A statistic is a value calculated from a sample. The sampling distribution helps explains how closely the statistical values from the sample can estimate the true parameter of the population. Effect of sample size. Sample size effect. The variation of data estimate, the larger the sample, the closer the statistic is to the population parameters with of the sampling distribution. Large sample result in narrower distribution, less variation. Power of statistical testing. Large sample increase the ability to detect real difference. However, large size does not guarantee valid result if the sampling method is poor. Challenge in sampling. Sampling error difference between sample statistic and population parameter due to partial data capture, sampling bias, systematic error due to improper sampling method, non-sampling error including recording error, non-response interpretation. To mitigate the challenge, it is important to use approach sampling method can consider the presentation, variety, and clarity of the target population. Conclusion: sampling is an important technical in statistics that allow us to draw conclusion about the population using to the subset of the data. Sampling method should be according to the purpose of the study and the condition of the population. The sampling distribution describes how the results from different samples may vary. These distributions are fundamental in making statistical decisions and understanding the level of certainty. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.